Hello everybody and welcome to my third trip to Busch Gardens video. Here we are again, joined by my friend.
What's up?
You want to say your YouTube channel again?
I don't upload anymore, so I'll go ahead and forgo that for now.
Okay, so yeah, but maybe in the future, maybe?
Yeah,
possibly?
Thinking about bringing it back around Christmas if I have time.
Yeah, cool. So yeah, anyway, we're making our way to the new ride. We're just making a beeline for it. I took some pictures or photos of some of the advertisements they had for their new ride, like before we got into the park. So I'll go ahead and start playing those over the screen now. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty exciting. Hopefully the line's not super long. We're hoping that it's not like 10 hours, but who knows with these things. So yeah, that's where we're heading to now. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. And there it is.
It's a nice color.
It's always a nice sign when there's a roller coaster track that just goes up and then just stops. You know, it's always a good sign when that happens.
Yeah, they've rebranded this whole area, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like it. Wow. Kubota DLC. Actually closed for a little bit, but they just opened it back up. Here we go. You can see some guys going on. But look at that wait time. Someone did not edit the wait time.
It's probably rebooting.
There we go. Minerva. Mercury. Messages on Mercury's lightning fast wings. Neptune.
We got a lot of exclusivity with prosthetics.
Yeah. Pantheon. 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 Pantheon.
You gotta tell people about that before.
Here we go. Let's go. It's probably gonna look really awkward.
No, I don't care. It's a GoPro, they always look fisheye.
Well, no, because it's like on my arm. That's what I meant. Chapter 4, Jupiter. Jupiter. It's just me because I like how these are named after planets.
Front row, right?
Hey, look.
What?
Pluto.
Yeah. We're shooting front row.
Oh yeah, we're totally shooting front row. Let's go.
Clear the Pantheon track for moving trains. Clear the Pantheon track area.
We gotta see this one. So I think this is the Minerva. I think this is Minerva loop. This is chapter 1.
They have a boost.
So Minerva.
Oh, the immediate loop. You gotta love it.
Yeah.
Loop in quotes. It's not too fast yet.
And then you have, oh there you go, and then you have the, I'm guessing the Mercury. There it goes, and wait for it, and there it is.
Please take a step back. The gates are now closing. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. During your ride, remain seated, keeping your hands on the ladder, with your arms and legs down and inside the line, with your head down against the...
We are rolling, yes, we are filming. POV.
You know what you
How do you feel?
Pretty good. This looks fun. Come over here. You know what you wouldn't want to do? You wouldn't want to do one meter.
You ready to go backwards? Yeah, I don't even know if it's gonna storm. Look at the sky. My
Last time,
There's gonna be like Florida weather. Yeah.
Just get this done on.
Oh wait, no, you haven't seen it. In Florida, in the summertime, it'll rain like non-stop, pouring rain for like an hour, and then it'll stop.
Yeah.
Like it'll just be like torrential for like an hour. It's like crazy.
To be fair, it happens here too once in a while.
Yeah, but a lot will come in there.
Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
Okay, we are going, and we're still filming.
Yep.
Here we go. I do not know what this is called.
You know what?
did.
ever. Oh man.
That was amazing.
So I understand now why the sign said you can't have like prosthetics, you have to have like your legs and such, because you feel like you're gonna fall out of it. Like,
that is amazing.
oh man, look at my hair.
So here we go. Here's the junction that they use.
You were right when you said that was like the smoothest one.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's a B&M. So this is how the junction. This is the same kind of junction they use over there.
They can just kind of.
Yeah, because you know how you come in, you go up, and then you go up there, instead of going back on the other track. You know.
Oh man, that one did me.
Yeah, that is crazy. Wow. So we have done all the rides in this area. There is not a single ride we are forgetting about. Okay, let's go. Pantheon! We just did that one. Yeah, that's the one we did. Hey Golden, you want to see what it would be like to sit in the ride?
Yeah. A picture in front of the sign or something?
Yeah, this sign is probably better.
Train at all times. When you board the train,
Chugga, chugga, choo-choo.
please move to the far side to make room for all of our passengers. If you have small children in your party, for their safety, please place them toward the center of the car.
That's a full... Okay, so we just ate at the Trapper Smokehouse, and now we are here on the final ride I have yet to film, and that is Alpengeist. So this one right here, it is a hanging coaster where the track is actually above you. So it's pretty different to all the other rides here. And yeah, we're gonna go and see if we can't get a seat. Hoorah! Okay, well that's unfortunate. Literally just as we were about to get in line, they closed the park due to weather. I'm guessing there must have been a lightning strike nearby or something, because there is no rain at all. So it's not like episode 1 where it was downpour. It is literally sunny. So hopefully they open it up again soon, but yeah, we may have to come back at a later date to do the other ride. Which, I mean, it's fine because I got to do the new one, but yeah. Still kind of wanted to do the Alpengeist as well for the video. But, you know, things happen. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and walk around and see if they don't open things back up. So there's the trestle where the train goes over. And then there's the Loch Ness Monster on that side, the double loop. I love this story. Oh boy, it's coming. Oh boy, the weather's getting bad now, guys. I'm in the wrong mode. There we go. Now I'm in the right mode. Oh. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay guys, so we are back after about a month for our second go. It is, yeah, it's a little rainy today, but all the rides are still open, so this should be kind of interesting. We rode one ride earlier, and yeah, I was getting hit in the face by raindrops, so we'll see how this goes. It might be a little like might get pelted a little bit. But here we go. We're gonna yeah, Alpengeist, 25 years. Let's go. Yeah,
boys, we're getting wet.
We've done the Griffin. Yeah, we're gonna get soaked.
like right here. Hey, look at it, it's soaked.
That just sucks.
Ah, the track above us, that's the problem.
Oh, it sucks.
You guys get stuck up in here the next time.
Down, head forward. Here we go. They're like a cobra roll.
Oh my god!
There's a cobra Kai roll. Oh my god. Cobra roll. Cobra roll. Cobra roll. Oh, that's the cobra.
They wet!
Hey, look, log flume. The log flume is going. That was right. Woohoo! Oh, that was awesome. Oh, in my mouth. Whoa.
Best ride in the park.
Oh my gosh.
This actually feels like a blizzard.
Oh,
That actually felt like we were in a snowstorm. That actually feels like you're in a snowstorm.
yeah, if that was snow, we'd really be hurt right now.
Yeah. Ooh.
My legs do not have circulation.
Yeah.
So
Did you
wet.
feel like you were getting whipped around a lot more on the end?
Honestly, that kind of sucked.
Yeah, the end is worse. The end is
I
worse.
didn't really
You
like
gotta
that.
do this when it's not raining.
I couldn't breathe because this thing is like on your lungs.
You can see I'm
Well, we did it. We
We
survived.
did it, and I'm proud that I did it, but I also don't like it. I don't like this one. Because you can't breathe because this thing like pushes down on your lungs.
I want to go home. Okay, so we just got done with Alpengeist, and yeah, it was pretty crazy because we got really wet. The water ran off the top track and pretty much drenched you. But as you can see, here's Griffin going. So yeah, that's pretty much all the rides here, except for, you know, I mean, all the coasters here, except for one coaster, kind of a coaster, not really a coaster. Yeah, not that one, that's a coaster. I'm talking about Tempesto. Tempesto it doesn't really go anywhere. It's just kind of back and forth a bit. So I don't really feel like it's needed to do a POV on that. Plus, there's already POVs on the internet, so I'll just link one of those. But yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and continue walking around. We're probably gonna end up riding Griffin, but I already did a POV on that, so I don't need to do that again. But yeah, I'll let you guys know if anything interesting happens, and yeah, that's pretty much everything that I wanted to do in this 3-part series, so that is exciting. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we just finished riding Griffin. That was pretty fun, and I also got some cool shots of Alpengeist that I'll probably end up showing later or earlier in the video. Yeah, I got a cool shot of it going through an inversion while the log flume went by. It was pretty fun, pretty cool looking. But yeah, we're gonna head back to the entrance of the park, see if there's any rides like the Loch Ness or Pantheon again, and then yeah, that's probably gonna be it for the day. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I already did everything I needed to do, so really, there's nothing much left here to do, and yeah, when the weather's not really the best, it's still it's still drizzling, it's still slightly raining, so Yeah, probably not the best day to come, but I mean, it's all right. Get a little wet sometimes, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. So anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe for new videos. Have a great rest of your day.
Peace.
And we'll see you guys next time.